Best tourist-friendly beaches in Jamaica. If your vacation day includes soaking up the sun, playing in the sand, or swimming in the ocean, then this list is the one you need. Our list highlights the best places to soak up the sun, with Treasure Beach being a top choice for authentic beach experience and Doctor's Cave being a favorite for editors and readers for its convenience and amenities. For a mixture of soft sand and beautiful wildlife, the Fonthill Beach Park has its own sprawling nature preserve, making it an easy choice for a full day outdoors. Those who want their own island in the sun can check out Lime Cay, just outside of Kingston, for isolated areas away from the crowds. Negril's world-famous 7 Mile Beach is dotted with restaurants, small inns and hotels, and lively beach bars that eat up during the spring break each year. For cruisers visiting Falmouth or Ocherius, there are several options nearby the cruise ports that make an easy trip for those on a time crunch. With that said, let's take a look at the best tourist-friendly beaches in Jamaica. If it's your first time joining me here, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you do so, please remember to click the notification icon so you always receive updates. Cornwall Beach. Cornwall Beach draws large crowds because of its central location near major hotels and restaurants. But don't let the crowds keep you away. This is an excellent destination for spending your day dining in the sun, playing on the beach, or swimming in the cool blue sea. White sands make the beach somewhat scenic, but don't expect too much in the way of privacy or panoramic views. Instead, enjoy some windsurfing or volleyball with friends. It is located just down the street from Doctor's Cave and features showers, snorkel gear, lockers, towels, a bar, restaurant, and a gift shop. Everything you need for the day. Frenchman's Cove. This small private beach with a stunning, vibrant river feeding into it sets the stage for a perfect day. A cafe serves up cocktails and local dishes, served right to the beach. The water here is cooler than usually expected, but the beach is incredibly clean and postcard worthy. The Frenchman's Cove Resort is a convenient place to stay beachfront for those who would like to linger in the area. As is G. John Hotel, just a short taxi ride away. This part of Jamaica is one of those areas that will have you cancelling other travel plans. Fonthill Beach Park. A small but pleasant in St. Elizabeth features golden sand and turquoise waters. Covered picnic areas, volleyball nets, and storage lockers make this a great picnic beach. As an added incentive, to visit the Fonthill Wildlife Sanctuary is a nature reserve on the property. The winding lagoons are home to several hundred American crocodiles. It's just 15 minutes to the Black River, home to eco-adventures and safari-style rafting. The well-marked signs outside of the beach make it very difficult to miss. It will even tell visitors when they have passed it. Red Stripe Beach. Hidden by a marsh area, Red Stripe Beach is a new attraction for cruise passengers. After the new port opened in Falmouth to accommodate larger ships, Red Stripe Beach opened to offer cruise passengers an easy choice for some soft sand. Lifeguards are on duty, and a cafe, snack shop, and gift shop are on location. So be sure to bring cash for beverages and souvenirs. The beach is kept meticulously clean, and twigs and seaweed are constantly cleared so water and sand is picture perfect. Chairs and flotation devices are available for rental. The beach is less than 10 minutes away from the cruise port and is part of the excursion options. BURWOOD Beach. Located in Trelawney Parish, the birthplace of Olympic sprinter Usain Bolt, Burwood Beach is a popular public beach with sugar sand and striking water. Local vendors catch and cook up fresh fish, and the attitude is as low-key as it gets. However, time has taken its toll on the beach, And while plans are in store for added cafes, shops and facilities, it may not materialize. Until then, the beach remains a beautiful stretch of sand shared by many other sun soakers without much in the way of creature comforts. It is located about 5 miles from the town of Falmouth. 7 Mile Beach. Postcard perfect. The fishing village of Negril boasts the world-famous 7 Mile Beach, which erupts with parties during spring break. Each March, college students flock the beach to soak in some sun, drink rum punch, and dance the night away. Hotels and restaurants line the sand, and jet skis, speedboats, and glass-bottom boats are on hand for a day on the water. Everywhere you turn, you will find tranquil, turquoise vistas and beach bars that are just steps away. The sound of Bob Marley's peaceful music lingers in the air, and after the sunset, beach parties go into the night. Lime Cay. This small and uninhabited island off the coast of Kingston is as quiet as can be during the week and is ideal for nude sunbathing. On Sundays, the locals bring limes, food, beer, and good vibes. The island and small islands surrounding are ideal for snorkeling, but bring your own mask and fins. There are no facilities on Lime Cay, so come prepared with plenty of water. The airport is nearby, so expect to see low-flying aircrafts from time to time. The island is just 15 minutes by boat from Port Royal. Long Bay Beach. Praised as being one of the most beautiful beaches in Jamaica, this Port Antonio treasure is under the radar. As one of the beaches in the area, there are plenty of spots in the sand. Strong currents and larger waves makes this a surfing hotspot, and fishing boats are often beached or anchored on the shore. The area is home to numerous mom-and-pop restaurants, jerk stands, quaint beach houses, and local artists. The beach attracts a number of backpackers and bohemians, and guest houses continue to spring up. The friendly time doesn't matter vibe and sublime setting makes this a hidden gem. Doctor's Cave Beach. You can't find a better beach destination in Montego Bay than Doctor's Cave Beach, and since everyone knows it, you might as well join in the daily celebration on the sand. And there is plenty to celebrate. This beach is 5 miles long and is bordered by the city's best hotels and restaurants. Named after a local doctor who donated the land and now closed the coastal cave, Doctor's Cave Beach helped establish Montego Bay as a resort town. It's best to go early, as they open at 8:30 to pick a spot and rent a chair and umbrella. Treasure Beach. The sleepy fishing town of Treasure Beach is refreshingly off the tourist trail. Hiking, biking, fishing and sunbathing on a quiet beach replace the nightlife, paragliding, jet ski rentals at this southwestern coastal town. The easygoing community strives to keep it low-key, and the beach itself reflects this attitude. A clean, well-groomed beach also has vendors offering kayaks and snorkel gear. Fishermen often take their catch of the day on the beach, and many locals can help arrange a boat trip or snorkeling tour. There are also a handful of restaurants and bars located along the long, soft sand beach. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you have not subscribed to the channel as yet, consider subscribing to the channel. And when you do so, click the notification icon so each time I upload videos, you'll receive a notification.